What's going on, YouTube and all my fellow investors out there? Isaac's Trade here. Well, it was the worst day since October 2020. The Nasdaq closed in bear market territory, Euro 50 and German DAX in bear market territory. This little chart right here, pretty picture, is just basically explaining the wildest day. You see this little red dot up here? Well, that is where the hell we're at. Way up here? Yeah, that's where it went. Today was pretty much bad because people are kind of starting to worry. They're watching commodities. Commodities, if they continue to stay high, that's going to be very worrisome. I mean, you're talking about inflation. You're talking about the price of everything going up. Now banks are being forced to cut their price targets. Volatility, besides the morning, there was very little bit. And I mean, this kind of shows how serious the commodities are. Because this morning, as soon as we opened, pre-market, we were good. As soon as we opened, we just sold off straight to the downside. It was just like, it was pretty bad. It was pretty bad. What else do we got over here? Basically, I'm just going to be watching the dollar. Just keep an eye on the dollar. The dollar is going to tell you a story. A lot of people are going to be piling into the dollar because if they ain't going to be buying the ruble, where are they going to go? I'm expecting the dollar to have a liquidity yield curve kind of to spike on it. It's probably not going to go that crazy like it did last Friday, though. And then remember, we have CPI coming out. That's going to be pretty interesting just because the narrative we have right now, I kind of want to know what they're going to say, or should I say what they're not going to say. What else was it? Oh, yeah, then we got some Russia was considering banning Europe from the Nord Stream 1 in retaliation. The White House makes no decision on Russian oil and then on the ban, but a bipartisan bill already has a framework. White House also weighs Venezuela oil safe. And then there was something else. What was it? The Peabody? Yeah, there was Peabody slumps. They got hit with a margin call for coal prices. Apparently, they agreed to deliver coal at $84 last year. It's at $400. You know what I mean? So yeah, Peabody's getting smacked. And then API was the biggest U.S. oil lobby group. Says Biden administration is misusing facts on oil permits. Just because you have a lease doesn't mean there's actual oil and gas in that lease. You know what I mean? And as far as like the plays I got going on and what I'm going to be watching, obviously I'm still in wheat, and I'll probably start trimming back on some of the options just to take some of the money I have, because I was looking at the futures. I mean, the KC's not doing too bad. It's down like 1.54 right now, but I want to be keeping an eye on Rblx. I'm actually going to start grabbing more Rblx. I need to fix that average on that one, and I'm still waiting for UVXY and the VIX to get up to, you know, a little bit higher. I think this is going to roll on for a little bit longer, and I'm still holding on to the WTI contracts, and I'm looking at grabbing maybe some X puts here. And I was thinking of another put on, well, obviously the UVXY and the VIX, but I need to wait on those ones. I was actually thinking about putting a put on wheat, just not too soon. I want to see how high this is going to go. I'm pretty sure we'll see a limit up halt most likely again here, unless we get some kind of de-escalation going on over there from Russia, which I highly doubt that's going to happen. But as far as that, tomorrow is going to be a pretty crazy day. But like I said, just CPI is going to be very interesting, and just keep an eye on the commodities. Commodities have been going straight crazy. Today it wasn't really that well for wheat, because as soon as the futures opened for wheat, it skyrocketed, and they limited up that motherfucker again. So the price of it's not reflecting on the asset over here. You know what I mean? It's just it's a little weird today. And if you didn't notice, and if anybody missed it, actually, wheat did get what was it on wheat again? We got halted for about 45 minutes. Yeah, here it is right here. There was a halt because there were no more shares. They were out of shares, but that is taken care of now. So it was pretty sus. I'm not worried about it at all. I think this is going to be this is a once in a lifetime opportunity here. You know what I mean? And like, yeah, that's where we're at with that one. But hope everybody's having a good day, and hope to catch you guys in on the live stream. And remember to stay nimble and we'll see how this is going to end. But this year is already starting out to be a pretty exciting one, and it doesn't look like it's going to let up anytime soon. I'm out.